Okay, so what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the first advanced piece of indicating software for MT4. This is an advanced indicator. It talks. It has certain features that you will be looking at. Some of those features will be explained in detail. One of the main features that you're looking at is right at the top of the screen. If you zoom out, you will notice this indicator gives you the day period, which you can get on a regular MT4 chart, but it's already put up there for you, so you don't have to separate by pressing the command key to separate your days. As you can see, if you do separate the days, it makes it a little bit convoluted. So this is just here so that you know what day you're in when you're trading and when you're looking back, so you can do your historical research. That's one of the features of this indicator. Another one of the features, which is the very most important one to me, is the ADR, which is the average daily range. Right now we are looking at Dogecoin, and the average daily range is 48 pips. Today's average daily range is 35 pips. And if you go to a different chart, you'll notice the average daily range changes depending on the price, of course. So if you go to Bitcoin, the average daily range is completely different. Now, why is that important? Simply put, that is important because when I tell you I take trades and I know how to stay in the trade for longer, I use the ADR to determine if I should stay in the trade. So if I'm in a buy and the average daily range for the day is 300 pips and I got 150 pips and there is nothing stopping me in the trade, then I know to also stay in the trade a little bit longer, okay? So I use the ADR from this indicator to let me know if my trade has more pips left in it before I should consider getting out, unless it's hitting a level of support or resistance. Now, speaking of support and resistance, you also have the high and low of the day. Now, what makes the high and low of the day interesting about this indicator is that this indicator will actually speak. So let me take a second to let you hear it speak. So when you hit the low, this is what it sounds like.
New low on US 30.
When you hit the high of the day, this is what it sounds like.
New high on US 30.
So if you're away and you're waiting for your robot to tell you something, it will actually speak. So why is that important? Of course you know why that's important. If you're in a buy and you hear the robot tell you new high, then you know that you are continuing an uptrend. If you are in a sell and you hear it say new low, then you know you are continuing a downtrend. So this is just some automation that is more advanced than typical indicators, and this is something that is very important and very powerful. Like I said, today's pips, the ADR, all of that's important. You have your period separator, and you also have the new high and low of the day. So this is the high-low indicator, and it actually speaks. So let me know what you think in the comments if you want any information about this indicator. If you want to get it, you already know to go to the website and purchase it. So hit us up and let us know what you need.